चैनल बी ब्लैक में आपसे स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं राजकीय इंटर काल्य प्रवक्ता परीक्षा 2015 रसायन विज्ञान। Which are the following? Source bond alter to O2, N2, He2, H2. AO2. The oxidation states of iron in hemoglobin and myoglobin are respectively A plus 3 plus 2, B plus 2 plus 2, C plus 2 plus 3, D plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. My list first and following. BF4, ClF3, I3 negative, PCl5. The magnetic moment of mutual to 15 more magneton is true for which pair are the following? F3 2 plus 3 Cr3 plus Mn2 plus F3 plus F3 plus F2 plus CO2 plus Cr3 plus CO2 plus Cr3 plus. The values of X and Y in the cyclic silicate Si2O3 X negative and SiO4 O12 Y negative are respectively A6 and 8, B 6 5 and 6, C 6 and 6, D 8 and 6, A 6 and 8. Are in the following ligand in the increasing order of transdirecting effect CO C6H5 H2O NOBr. H2O Br C6H5 NOBCO 2O CO NO C6H5 Br CO H2O C6H5 Br NO NOCO Br C6H5 H2O CH2O Br C6H NOCO. Half life for radioactive 46 57 years. In how many years? 200 mg of 40 sample. The 14 carbon sample is reduced to 25 mg. 11 5 20 23 0 140 57 60 17 to 80 D 17 to 80. The compound which has 18 electron rule is CrCO6 BbCO6 MnCO5 FeCO4 CrCO6. The correct IPSC name of 5. The correct order of relative energies of sp, sp2 and sp3. Hybrid and the unhybridized S and P are atomic orbital is C. S is greater than P is greater than sp, is greater than sp2 is greater than sp3. Which of the following is not used for preparation of phenolphthalein? Option C. In the reaction benzene KMnO4C. Which one of the following is most stable? D. Which are the following is a biodegradable polymer? Natural polymer B. Pteridinium C. Polylactic acid D. PVC in natural polymer. Natural rubber. A compound 6C5H10O forms a phenyl hydrogen and gives negative toluene. Test iodoform 10. It is most likely structure is CH3 CH2 CO CH2 CH3. Even the following the group that activates the benzene ring towards electrically separated A minus C and B minus CF3 C minus CO CH3 DO CH3 O CH3. Which are the following cannot be used for preparing alkyl halide from the corresponding alcohol? ROH plus HX, ROH plus X minus 3, ROH plus PBr3, ROH plus SOCl2. B. Match the following. Which one of the following technique cannot be used to separate a mixture of ortho and para nitroclean? A. Fractional distillation. B. Steam distillation. C. Fractional crystallization. D. Chromatography. Fractional crystallization. In human blood, sugar level is regulated by insulin and vasopressin. B. Insulin and glucagon. C. Insulin and oxytocin. D. None of the above. B. Insulin and glucagon. Which of the following is stabilized by hyperconjugation? Which one among the following compound is hydrolyzed more readily? CH3 COO C2H5 CH3 CO CH3 CO का whole का SO CH3 CO CLD CH3 CO CL. Which one of the following sugars will be not so mutant rotation? A. Sucrose. B. Mannose. C. Fructose. D. Glucose. Sucrose. 2,6,6,H5 CDO 50% aqueous KOH. Product of the above reaction are D. Which one of the following carbocation is most stable? Then the following is least stable carbocation. Carbon ion CH3 whole thrice 3. In the following reaction C6H5 plus CHCl3 plus KOH disease. Which of the following pair is correctly matched saponification color of oil? Which one of the following compound is not a hormone? Estrone, vitamin D3, cortisone, cholesterol based vitamin B3. Glycerol react with oxygen at 260 degrees Celsius to give allene, propene, acrolein, allylic alcohol. Which one now among the following is excellent substrate for SN2? Which one of the following compound exhibit optical isomerism to glucose and fructose form acid identical OSA जो because they have the same molecule form, they have same configuration about C3, C4 and C5. Both are monosaccharide aldehyde and ketone react with variant aldehyde similarity. Which one of the following statement is not true? Which one of the following is true? Forward denaturation protein. Toxicity reduced by the isoelectric point of the protein. Which of the following carbon is most stable? CCl2, CpR2, C6H5 and CCH2, CCH5 and C. Which one of the following is not a permanent effect? A inductive would be electromagnetic effect. C is resonance. D hyperconjugate be electromagnetic effect. Which of the following has the least energy? S2, N2, O2, F2, F2. A catalyst increases the rate of reaction, reducing the activation energy of the reaction. Which is equal to A plus Pb. How many industrial molecular platinum in the cell of NaCl? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. D. What is the number of electrons closed by the metallic crystal is 6, 10, 12, 8, 12. Drops of all liquid are spherical because sphere has tendency to attain maximum temperature, to attain minimum maximum volume, to attain maximum surface area, to attain minimum volume, attain minimum surface area. Equivalent delta G is positive, A B negative, C 0, and D is not the C 0. The following is incorrect. The potential of which one of the following electrode does not depend on pH of the solution. A glass electrode, B hydrogen electrode, C hydrogen, C caramel electrode, A glass electrode. Following salt cannot be hydrolyzed. Which one of the following is correct at 50% neutralization of the base and BFS? Which one of the following have coagulating power highest? Na, B, A2, Al3 plus Pb4 plus Na plus. In which of the following the Prandtl isosome may not applicable? A high pressure, P low pressure, C 273 degrees Celsius, D room temperature, A high pressure. All is well, all the way. D-block element found color dry and because they absorb the some energy per D. Transition they absorb some energy per D. Transition they absorb some energy per PDA. Transition they do not absorb any energy. They absorb some energy per DD transition. Which one the following possess highest latency? LICL, LIBR, LII, LIE. None that are following follow the order. The number of metal bond in N2 CO 10 plus is 0, 1, 2, 3, 1. The geometry of S3SI का whole thrice and is tetrahedral, B planar, C pyramidal, D linear, B planar. B one B D 75 नंबर आप लोन पर nuclear power SP which diamagnetic in ground state is plus energy diagram for D and configuration is inverse of the following. D1 configuration having the smallest bond angle is 2T. The main product of the following is NPCl 5 plus NH4Cl 3 2H2O6D. Observation of the following is the strongest acid: yellow SClO2, SClO3, SClO4, SClO4. The percentage of 3 unpaired electrons in the nitrogen atom can be explained by Hund's rule, Pauli rule, uncertainty principle, above principle, Hund's rule. And the following has maximum ionic carbon in the solution DRP plus how many isomers are present? Now which of the following pairs has isoelectronic DNO2 and activation is placed and 1 by 8 equal to 1. The 4 ion is 4.90, and then the ion is 3 plus the d orbital involved in dsp2 hybridization of square planar complex is dx2y dxz dx square minus y dz square dx square minus y square. The separation of lanthanide in ion exchange method is based on size of hydrated ion, basicity of lanthanide, oxidation state of ion, solubility of their nitrate, The correct order of increase in the stability of +1 oxidation state are TL, AL, INGAL, INTL, GAL, GAIN, IL, GAL. The second ionization potential of CNO and F are in order A. O is greater than F is greater than N. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा दोस्तों, धन्यवाद।